Sharon, where are you coming from?
Excuse me? Am I supposed to answer that question?
Are you aware you're a married woman with 2 grown-up daughters who look up to you, and you go out dressed like an akuna?
Hey! Don't you dare use that word on me. What's wrong with you? Huh? By the way, how do I look? How am I dressing? Oh, listen. Oh, you want me to start wearing rags to please you? Let me remind you something. We are no longer living in abject poverty. We are rich. So please allow me to live my life the way I want it.
Mom, can you please speak to them with a little of respect? Where's your husband?
What is wrong with you? Have you gone nuts? If I'm talking to my husband, you are talking? How dare you? Don't you ever talk when I'm speaking with my husband. Rubbish. I don't blame you. No, I don't blame you. I can see these 2 unripe oranges on your chest are beginning to size up like mine. That's why you think you're a grown-up. This unripe orange. Idiot. Nonsense. All the time. What food?
Mommy!
Dad, I'm sorry the way Mom spoke to you.
It's okay, my darling.
I really want to have a word with you. I am a woman, and I sense that something is not right between you and my mom.
You're still a child. You won't understand.
A child? With all this breast on my chest? Come on, Dad, that's ridiculous. I cannot keep a blind eye over how Mom speaks to you so disrespectfully, forgetting that it will affect us negatively.
Comfort. Thank you for your concern, but there's nothing wrong with your mom and I. Just a normal husband and wife misunderstanding. But I assure you, it will be sorted out very shortly.
Okay, if you say so.
Thanks.
Thank you, gentlemen.
I'm telling you what just happened here. What do you mean, what am I saying? I told you we just finished eating and I tried to pay the sum of 75,000 naira and it's not working. What's going on? Benjamin, listen to me. I said I tried. I have 3 cards. 3 cards here. I have tried the whole 3 and it's not working. What is going on? Do something about it, please. I'm with the manager here. What? My goodness, this is the most embarrassing moment in my life. I can't believe this is happening. I said you should do something about it. Do something about it. I don't know. What happened to my account, by the way? Because I'm very sure I had money inside these 3 accounts. What happened? What? Can you just... Benjamin. Etiko. Manager, please. Honestly, I'm truly sorry about the whole thing. I know exactly what I'm telling you. I had money in these 3 accounts. And I'm sure you heard when I was speaking with my husband.
Madam, there's no need explaining. As you can see, the transaction declined.
I know. Just please don't be angry, all right? Just give me some time. Let me call my husband again. Let me call him back.
All right, I'm waiting.
I'm truly sorry. It has never happened before. Honestly, I don't know what's happened. Do you have any money with you?
Mom, I don't have any money with me. And I told you even before we came here, I don't have any money.
What are you talking about? So what have you been doing with all the money I've been giving you? Dishing it out to all those gold diggers?
Mom!
Let me call my husband again.
I don't like this because we don't operate this way.
I'm truly sorry. It has never happened before. Honestly, I don't know what's happened.
Family, secret, everybody they enjoy your family, secret, this money they essential. Family, secret.
Philip, find out who's knocking at that gate like a lunatic.
All because of money, oh. Chop the money, spend the money. I must chop up, no, yeah. I must flex myself. Chop the money, spend the money. Chop up, no.
Benjamin, I demand an explanation why you froze my account and made a fool of me today. Aren't you talking? It's like you have forgotten how we made this money, right? I give you 24 hours. 24 hours.
Blood is thicker than water. Money not be everything in life. You must chop that money, oh. Chop the money, spend the money. No, yeah. You must chop that money, money, spend the money. No, yeah. You are carrying family, 6 money. Everybody they enjoy your family, secret. This money they
Sharon, come back here. Sharon, I said come back here. Now tell me, what did you do with 5 million naira credited to the company's account?
So I should have written an approval letter before I can make use of the money you and I made. Benjamin, sometimes you sound like you picked me up from gutters, cleaned me up, and made me the woman I am today. Do you want me to remind you of how we made the money? I guess you're not ready for that discussion.
Now listen, I am the man of this house, the head of this house. I should be aware of how monies in the company account is spent, and that's what it is.
Head of the house. Husband, the one I made? Huh? Oh, my dear husband. As far as I'm concerned, this family has no head.
Mom.
I made you.
Mom,
Shut up.
that was disrespectful.
Huh? That's what? Ah! Stupid girl. You dare not talk back at me when I'm talking. Rubbish. Do you have anything to say? The husband. The man I made. Hey! Oh, what an insult.
I want me mom.
Philip.
Shake it.
Philip.
I want me mom.
I asked you to wash this car for me. What happened?
Good morning.
What is good about your money? Why didn't you wash it?
Sorry, ma. Oga say in get Ikama like big appointment.
Ekama? Idiot.
Sorry, ma.
Foolish boy.
Sorry, ma.
Next time you obey instructions other than mine in this house, you lose your job.
Sorry.
Shut up!
Sorry.
Don't sorry me.
Okay, ma.
Shut up! Let me have that key.
Ma, which one? Is it this
The
one?
one you wash for, Oga?
Aye.
Give it to me.
Oh.
Now get out.
Sorry, ma.
Get
out. Sorry, it's yours. Sorry,
foolish boy.
Yummy. Ogam go yare sir. Oganu vex. Madam don't carry first. Collect Mira kaki where he say make I wash your motor for you.
I understand. Go back to your duty post.
Okay, sir. Te wana meriok. Ari manaro diok hido tutu. Ika mi uto manaro. Ak mi wore be mo. Fi kill husband o. Ka humble man.
Dad, this insult has to stop. She needs to stop.
You don't talk about your mother like that.
Then she needs to understand the fact that she's obligated to my father, her husband.
That's enough.
Dad, what's going on? Because I saw what happened. Obviously, Mommy's doing this thing to get you upset, and I don't like it. I don't.
Comfort. You have too many things to worry about. Marital issues is not one of it. Just go and tell Philip to get the next car ready for me to go out. That's okay. Go.
I missed you too, baby. So when I come to see me?
Gold.
Babe, hold on, I'll call you back, please.
I wonder why you haven't told your favorite parent, Mom, to stop disrespecting Dad. You need to tell her that she's a woman and should be submissive to her husband.
If there is anyone to talk to her favorite parents, that should be you and not me.
Really?
Yes, really. You need to let your favorite dad, our dad, to know that men are meant to treat their wives with respect, not boasting over them.
I can see that the first daughter of Chief Douglas has lost her sense of reasoning.
What did you just say?
You heard me.
One more word of disrespect from you, and I will put you in your place. Maybe you have forgotten that I'm your elder sister.
Why you see how it feels to be disrespected?
Comfort! Comfort!
by your time. You left the house very early this morning. And you're coming back by this ungodly hour, 11 to 11:30 p.m. And I ask you, are you seeing another man?
And what if I say yes? Ogini, Ibudamosu, why are you restricting me from living my life? Listen, we're no longer living in abject poverty. We're rich. So please allow me to live my life the way I want it. If you don't want to live your life, I want to live my life the way I want it.
So the only way you can live your life is by living irresponsibly. That's what you want. Now listen, I have grown-up daughters. And as a father, I must be loving to them and live responsibly. Not because I have money.
Coming from a loving and responsible father who used his only son for money ritual. Rubbish.
What is wrong with you? You don't even care if they hear you?
I don't care. I don't care. Look at you. Look at you. Responsible.
Don't you care if they hear us?
I don't care. I don't care. Responsible father, my foot. Rubbish. Look at them. I get it.
Daddy, why? Why me?
Collins.
Daddy, why? Why me?
Please, I'm sorry. Collins, I am sorry. Please.
Daddy, why?
Collins, I'm sorry.
Why? Why me?
I succeeded. Very good. Please come on. Accept the gift which you have brought for the incoming blessings.
Blessings of riches, wealth, progress, and excess money. Do you know who you are talking to? Tell all the women I was forced for it. Excuse me, I'll call you back, my dear. Yes, I'll talk to you later. What is it?
The credit alert on the company's account, what did you do with it?
And what's that supposed to mean?
Don't get me angry. You took 20 million naira for your hair and toiletries. Last week you took 5 million, now you took 9 million naira. Is there any man you're giving this money to?
Can you hear yourself? No, can you hear yourself? Just the other day, you gave your uncle's son money to start up a business. And again, the other time, your cousin came and you dished out 2 million naira and gave it to him to set him up for a business. The money they don't know how we made. You and I know how we made that money. And you keep misusing our funds, thinking that I'll be happy. Ozugo, why? Ozugo!
Must we always talk about superiority in this house?
We should, if that's what makes you happy.
Look, I am still your husband, and that stands.
Hey, I don't suffer. My husband, which of the husbands? Is it the one I made? Huh? You talk as if you picked me up and made me. I beg, give me space. Give me space. I came in and things begin to move. If I
Sharon, I'm warning you. I'm warning you. The way you spend money is too extravagant.
Have I ever restricted you from helping anybody? But there's one thing you do that annoys me. Everybody in your village needs help. And my dear husband, Father Christmas, must do it all.
Did we make our money to be stingy?
I never stopped you from helping anybody. But so long as they have children, all of them should use their children to make their own money.
That doesn't encourage your extravagant lifestyle.
Well, I will not sit here and have them eat our money. The money they know nothing of. They don't even know how we made the money. Look at you. The other day, you gave your uncle money. And the other time, your cousin came asking for help and you dished out 2 million naira. Hey, come and be looking at me. Come and watch me. Like as if there's anything you can do. What can you even do? Last night you were shivering like a newborn baby. Because of calling spirits. Can't even be a man. I'm a man. But the man disappeared in you. Rubbish. Keep misusing our phone, thinking that I'll be. But I can call Gaka now.
No, not all the pressure. Patience, trusting God.
Excuse me. What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do?
What does it look like I'm trying to do?
I asked Philip to wash this car for me because I want to go out with it.
Sharon, I have a very important meeting to attend and this car fits it.
And how is that my business? How?
Philip is watching.
And so what if he's watching? Huh?
Can't we stay a day in this house without arguments?
Until the day you decide to let me have equal rights as you.
You can never have equal rights with me. Understand that. I am the man of this house.
I have equal rights as you. Get down from the car, let me go out. Get down, Biko.
I have taken enough from you. Now I will show you I am the man of this house.
You're what? Yeah. Get down, my friend. Get down, let me go out. Philip? Like you are who?
Philip!
Get down, let me go. Give me the car key.
Lock the gate. No one goes out. Did you hear what I said? No one leaves this premises.
Oh, really? Let me have that. Let me have the car key. Let me tell you something, Benjamin. Whatever you are looking for, you will see it in me. You haven't even seen anything yet. Let me have that key. Let me have the key. Give me, see, let me have that key. What is wrong with you in there? Let me have that key. And what's the meaning of what you just displayed there?
I am still the man of this house.
And I am the woman of this house. I am that woman who stood by her husband until he made money. How many women could do that?
Sharon, you have disrespected me severely. I won't let that happen again.
Let me have that card. I want to go out now.
Today will be useless to us. You have been doing this and I've been tolerating it, but today marks the end.
Oh,
it's either you use any of the cars outside there or you're stuck here with me.
Let me have that key. You will not have peace in this house. Let me have that key. What is even wrong with you? I made this money with you. I made it. I was that woman who stood by her husband until you made money. I will give you heat. I will make sure you run high blood pressure. Give me that key. What is all this? What? Money. I made that money with you. Give me that key. Let me have that key because I don't want to fight you. But if you want me to fight, I am ready to fight you. Let me have that key. Let me have that key. Give me that key. Give me that key. You don't want to talk to me. You don't want to fight. Give me that key. Let me have that key. Let me have that key. If you don't give me that car key, I will make sure you have no peace in this house. Let me have it. Benjamin! You came visiting without even informing us. I hope all is well.
All is well, my wife. Comfort here, your daughter, called me. She said that there's no peace in this house. So I rushed as fast as my leg can carry me. She said you are disrespectful to your husband.
Me? Disrespectful? To Odogun Wokem, my sweetheart. Honey, am I disrespectful to you?
No, not at all.
No, my mom is not disrespectful to my dad.
See you. Nam.
That's a locker. Who
is telling you that? Hey!
Comfort.
Dad, I can't believe you're saying this. Are you being serious right now?
Comfort.
What?
Why would you lie to Uncle Jude that our family is not peaceful? Why?
How did I lie?
You lied.
Comfort. You can see that there's peace in this family. Wow. Your parents said that there's no problem between them. Why are you complaining? I can see there's peace here.
Thank you. You will eat before you go. She'll go and make some food for you. Then I will put something in the boot for father.
Di mama. Diko.
Very peaceful home. Why are you looking at me? I'm going to turn a good leaf. Our family is peaceful.
Sweetheart. Di mama. No, where are you going? Hey, honey. We are living in peace. There is we are peaceful, angelic family. Okay. No problem. Come and help me in the kitchen. Come. We'll be right back. Eh?
Don't worry. Don't be in a hurry. You will live today, yes, I know. Because you like the village.
Oh, Dobuke Bono. Oh, yeah.
Why is that this gullible? Why? Why is he always pretending like all is well when they are not? This is the most annoying thing I have ever seen in all my life. Goodness. Haven't he enjoyed it? He has enjoyed enough. This is so much.
Maybe it's better you mind your business. Learn how to stay off from husband and wife affairs. Maybe when you get married, you can report your husband to his village people. Who cares? As for mom and dad, they have decided to live their lives. Rubbish.
So what I dey tell you to say, I dey like say you dey patient because if this money drop straight to Dubai, we will go do dinner in the sky. From there to Santorini. Trust me. Is that your mom?
Who is this nincompoop around my daughter? Shut up!
I am not a nincompoop.
Mommy.
Shut that your oral cavity. Who are you with? You're not ashamed of yourself. Get inside the car right now.
Madam.
Hush! Who do you think you are? Do you know me? Who are you? Now listen, you gold digger. If I ever set my eyes on you, close to my daughter, or even around her, you will regret the day you were born. Now get inside. Get inside! I'm ashamed of you. Look at, who are you with? Is he the one you are dating? This idiot, nincompoop, upcoming Yahoo boy. Ritualist in the making. Get inside the car
Madam,
right now.
say it's soft for you, no be say you no go soft for me. Oh. No, they look down on a man. After all, I am a full-fledged man. Waiting be this.
Get inside. I'm ashamed of you.
Babe, madam, you don't do. Say it's soft for you, no me say you no go soft for another man.
Shut up your dirty mouth. In the soft for you. You are just nothing but upcoming ritualist. Upcoming Yahoo boy. I'm so ashamed. Get inside the car, stupid thing.
Look down on
Get
man.
inside.
Oh.
Idiot.
No, they look down on man. I like the fact say you call me a ritualist. That means say plenty money they come.
You're a madman.
Babe. Nah. Santorino. We go Santorino. No worry. I know say na so male them the para. She just the para for nothing. If I give her paracetamol now, she go calm down.
Why is Mom hand-bent on ruining my happiness? You needed to see the embarrassment Mom gave to my fiancé, Jason. Doesn't she want me to get married? Or she wants me to grow old in my father's house?
She's a favorite parent, right? Deal with it.
Is Mom doing this to me? What have I done to Mom? Why is she doing this to me?
Oh yes, business is good. Yes, no, everything is good. I can't complain. Thank you. Nothing to worry about. Business is moving well.
Daddy, why? Daddy, why? Why me? Daddy, why?
Collins, stop doing this. Your mother and I decided to sacrifice you to liberate ourselves from poverty. Would you have preferred we remained in abject poverty for life? With the money, your sisters have gone to good schools. Your mom and I are no longer carrying blocks at the building sites. So what's this? Stop this.
Daddy, why?
I have just explained to you. You're still asking me why me. Huh? Look, stop appearing. There's no connection between the living and the dead. Please, I beg you. In the name of God.
Daddy, why? Why me?
Please, I beg you. Even Jesus was sacrificed for the whole world. Your own is little sacrifice and you.
Dad. Who are you talking to?
Nobody. I was talking about... It's okay. I'm talking about Jesus.
Daddy, why? Daddy, why?
Collins, why are you appearing everywhere? Why are you following me all around? Huh? What is this? Okay, why are you not tormenting your own mother who is spending the bigger money? Why? Can't you consider me as your fellow man? Okay, I'll give you a fitting burial. At least that one will help to console you. Please, I beg you. Would you have preferred that we ended up being poor? Please, I... You want to appear again? Doesn't ready you.
fact is, if you don't want to eat that food, then drop the spoon and get out. Leave it.
Mom, don't you care about my happiness?
Have you lost your table manners?
I'm not hungry, Dad.
Then leave the table.
Dad, that's me.
You can also live with her. And I've made my point. She must marry somebody from the East, and that's how it's going to be.
Dad, marriage should be about love and happiness. Not all of these things you're saying. It's not nice.
What do you know about love and happiness? Educate me.
Mom, you know what I'm talking about. You cannot just take away her happiness and you expect her to heal just like that. She needs time to heal.
If you know you don't want to eat your own food, you can join your sister. Get away from this table. Get out! Get out! Join her! You don't want to eat. Join your sister. Nonsense. I hope you like the food.
Beautiful.
Nice, yeah? You think we'll beg you? Ah, what fool? Stupid girls. Idiot. No. Maybe even carry her own food. After we can share the talk. One word each. Good. Stupid girls. Wait though. I roasted this one very well. Hope you're enjoying it. Which one is are you not talking? Enjoying the food, eh? Our money. Poverty is not for us again. I refuse to go back to poverty. Fine.
Good. What is it? Eh? What is it? You left your room to come to my room and cry. Eh? Please, just stop it. Don't inconvenience me in my room. I don't like it.
Don't you have conscience? You know I love Jessing. Can't you beg on my behalf?
What is my business? It is your turn. So I'm going to be reluctant the way you were on my own time. So please, don't disturb me.
No, that is a different thing altogether.
Really? It was different. Good, please. If you want to cry, go to your room and cry. I don't want to hear your cry again, oh. I don't want to hear your cry. Go to your room and cry. I'm only allowing you to stay here because I do sleep in your room. If not, don't push me. Just don't push me. I'm telling you that I'll push you out too. I'll push you out. Stop disturbing me. If you want to say I stay in peace.
You are looking hot. You're gonna love this one. Promise you. Yeah? I'm almost done, okay? The shape for me. Is that your dad?
Relax.
What is going on here?
Dad, you're welcome. That is my birthday today and Desmond is making a drawing of me.
So, that's why you're standing comfortably, showing him the way to Jerusalem, half naked?
No, Dad, not...
Now you shut up! And you, in the guise of drawing her picture, you are looking at her nakedness?
No, sir.
Now get out of here. Philip, lock that gate.
Dad! Philip!
You come back here!
Desmond!
You come back here!
Desmond!
You let him go. Come on, will you get up from there? Who cares about what you speak, idiot? You come back and meet me here.
Desmond, please wait. I'm sorry.
What do you want?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh, yeah, of course you're sorry. After I was humiliated by your shepherd father for no reason. Did I do wrong by falling in love with his daughter?
You didn't do anything wrong, Desmond. He's just being overprotective. I'm sorry.
And he expects everyone to be as wealthy as he is. Forgetting that all fingers are not equal.
Desmond, listen. I think it's time you make your intentions known to him. Tell him you love me and want to marry me.
What?
Yes.
I should get humiliated again by your father? Of course not. Can't you see the obvious? He doesn't want a poor man for you.
You are not poor. Desmond, you're not. You own an establishment. Desmond, it doesn't matter how much you have in your account. That is not even what matters to me. The only thing that matters to me is peace of mind. And I have all of that with you. I love you and my heart belongs to you.
I love you too.
Stop looking, he's not coming.
I don't trust your father. He can be.
That's okay.
Are you coming with me?
Stop running, he's not coming.
I have realized my mistakes. I thought I was right supporting Mom. Little did I know they don't have us at heart. I sincerely apologize. Please forgive me, my sister. Please.
Good. I forgive you. I hold nothing against you. And I'm glad you've realized that it's just you and I. No one else.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hi girls, your mother and I want to apologize for what happened the other day. As your parents, we have your interest at heart. It beats my heart to see you girls sometimes behaving like people without direction, hanging out with riffraffs, gin-sagging boys who will come to nothing. I want you from now to graciously bring home any young man that your heart accepts.
What? Dad, are you serious?
Yes. I want us to make it official. Bring home any young man who appeals to your heart.
What?
Dad, are you serious?
Yes.
Are you serious?
I want us to make it official. I don't want all those hide and seek games anymore.
Thank you so much, Dad. We'll bring them to you as soon as possible. Thank you.
I just want the best for you, and that's it.
Thank you, Dad.
Baby. Okay. Come now. What's the mood for?
Guess what?
You know I'm not good at guessing.
Just try.
Baby, just say it. What is it?
Okay. My dad has approved of our relationship.
What? Baby, that is impossible.
I am not joking. Listen, you have to freshen up. Put on something better. I'm taking it to my dad.
Babe, honestly, I am lost here. Which of your dad? The one I know or another one?
Can you stop asking too many questions? Just stop it. Get up. Get up. Let's get going. Get going.
I hope you're not kidding.
I am not playing with you. Come here.
This is not the riffraff that was painting your picture naked.
Dad, please. This one is my fiancé. Some words of decency will be appreciated. I beg you.
What do you know about decency? You brought a cankerworm to eat you. And you're telling me, are you not afraid to bring as your husband to be? Oh, now I know. All the money you've been collecting from me, you use it to dress him up. Look at, even the watch he's wearing is oversized.
Go digger.
Look at it.
Look at that chain on his neck. Look at that chain, that big one. Upcoming Yahoo boy. See upcoming Yahoo boy you brought here. Mongo Park. Look at.
The young man couldn't even afford the packaging
Don't you know people
to our house.
Float
Can't you?
To come and marry. Go digger. Come. You better come back home.
You're wearing slippers. Can't even wear shoes. Those of us who are in the house are wearing because we're in our house.
Sweetheart. Go up.
I'm not laughing with you.
Wait now.
No.
Wait.
I better join them than be with you. Oh, please. I don't need your love. Because people are here, that's why you're behaving like it.
Wait.
Okay, they have gone. Come and shout at me.
No, now.
No, you like you always do.
I shout at my love.
Open your eye now.
Behave yourself.
You should behave yourself.
I'm already behaving myself.
You are very cantankerous.
It's still our morning now.
Yes.
You know I have equal rights.
But attitude to Joka.
Babe, I'm truly sorry. I'm sincerely sorry. I wasn't expecting that. Please forgive
Comfort,
me.
what have I done to you? What have I ever done to you that you chose to humiliate me like this? What kind of thing is this? What have I done to deserve soft modification from your father? All I did is to fall in love with you. That is it. Huh?
I'm sorry. Desmond, I'm really sorry. I didn't know it was going to turn out like that. I'm sorry.
You're sorry. Comfort. You are always sorry. What else can you say? Your tiger father just humiliated me. He looked me in my face and called me a riffraff. All because of you. But what more do I expect from a ritualist? Huh?
Are you insane? What's wrong with you? Why would you use such words on my father? Are you alright? Desmond, don't you dare. Don't try it again. What nonsense.
Comfort, you slapped me.
Yes, I did. How could you say that? How dare you?
It's obvious our parents don't want us to get married. They want us to remain in this house.
I really don't understand this. What could be the reason?
I don't know. They might be feeling lonely, no one to care for them.
But it's not enough reason for them not to allow us to get married. No. There is more to this.
How do you mean?
Philip! Philip! Didn't you hear your name?
Madam, no vex. I've been there for toilet.
Did you answer?
Yes, madam.
I'm sure you wouldn't want to lose your job, right?
No, God forbid bad thing. I don't want.
Good. Now listen. On no account should my daughters leave this house without my consent. And if they do, I'll make sure you lose your job.
I don't want to lose my job. The word na my command. They don't feel command, I swear. But madam, if no oga send the madam.
If it's my husband, he'll be going out with them.
Okay, madam.
And for your information, I've already called someone standing in case you mess up.
No, madam, I don't feel mess up. Chocolate up, the con they go up.
Get out,
Thank
out.
You. Oh,
get out.
Sorry, madam. It's a me.
Open the gate.
No. Gate is not opening. What's wrong with Baha? No.
What's wrong with him?
What is wrong with you?
Open the gate!
Madam, look into my eye and tell me, say, you know, say problem there.
Problem?
Problem there now.
What problem? The gate spoiled.
Problem there. This one, no, we get spoiled. Nothing do get on. Madam say, make both of you for you know come out for this house. Make an open gate for both of you.
My friend, open this gate.
Oh, so now you want come out food for my man. Madam say if I open gate, into sack me say make I open gate. Oh, I can see. I can see.
It's not possible.
Yeah,
Madam.
Madam say make una no come out.
Whatever done in the dark must surely come to light. Nothing can be hidden.
It's me. It's me.
It's
me. Oh,
just a
gate is not opening. It's me. It's me. It's me.
Mommy, why? Mommy, why me? Daddy, why? Daddy, why me?
Mom, why did you instruct Philip not to open the gate?
This is my husband's compound, and I choose who comes or who leaves.
This is our father's house, and we have the right to go in and out of this house at will.
Well, no one leaves this compound, and that's final.
You got married to our father. Your parents gave you your blessings. Why are you preventing our own blessings?
Am I supposed to answer that stupid question?
Yes, Mom, you have to answer.
No, I am not supposed
You
to
must
answer.
answer.
Not anymore, Mom. Enough, Mom! Enough! Haven't you done enough?
No one leaves this compound without my consent. And that's final. That is final! No one leaves my house without my consent. If I must give you consent, you have to give me the time, the day, when you want to leave. But as for now, no one leaves this compound. And don't you dare me. Don't you dare me! Because I'm going to squeeze life out of you two. Don't you dare! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! I don't want to see you. Get out! Idiots! Idiots!
For you to live well and well and have friends. Why have you chosen my blood for sacrifice? Chimo, Oginika Mereha. There'll be no peace for you, no hiding place. You must confess.
Oh.
You must confess. There'll be no peace for you, no hiding place. You must confess. You must confess. You have sold your peace of mind. You have sold your soul. You have sold your conscience.
That is a big risk we took. How long are we going to continue like this? Because I'm tired. I'm really tired.
There is nothing to be tired about. They have refused us from getting married, so we'll keep sneaking out like this.
I think I have a plan.
The pressure, patience, trust in God.
Gold. Are you alright?
Yes, Mom, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, Mom.
What's wrong with you? Tell me the truth.
Mom, I'm fine. Just feeling dizzy.
Is it your second?
No, Mom.
Okay, have you taken medication?
No.
Alright, get up. Go to your room and lie down. Get up. Go to your room and lie down. Make sure you take your medication. Okay. Mommy, why?
Good. Good, I'm really scared. I am pregnant.
You don't need to be scared. Look, we need to act dumb.
Act dumb?
Yes.
I am 2 weeks gone.
And I'm 5 weeks gone.
I thought you said it was symptoms of malaria.
I'm 5 weeks gone, my love.
What are we going to do? What if they find out?
They have no other option than to allow us get married to our dream man. You need to stop panicking, else they will find out that something is not right. Calm down. Relax.
What are you saying? I'm really scared.
Relax, calm down. You don't need to be scared. Calm down. It's gone.
There'll be no peace for you. No hiding
Disappear. Radiance. Disappear. Radiance. Disappear.
You have sold your conscience. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, no matter the pressure, patience, trust in God. No matter the pressure, patience, trust in God. Whatever done in the dark must surely come to light. Nothing can be hidden. It will only take a time, just a little space of time. Here's a razor, give me fair. Mommy, why? Mommy, why me? Daddy, why? Daddy, why me? Obi abawamo, Obi abawamo. Obi abawamo, ogini kamere. Obi abawamo. Hey yeah, hey yeah.
Good. Losing your pregnancy without any accident, fall, or even something hitting your stomach is still unbelievable. What is going on?
I've lost the only thing that would have made me get married out of our parents' wish.
How are you feeling? How are you feeling?
I'm feeling better.
Are you sure? Has she had something?
She said she's not hungry.
No, baby, you need to eat. Come on, you need to eat, okay?
Mom, I'm not hungry. I'll eat when I am.
But you need to eat something. You haven't eaten, you need to eat something. Huh? Don't worry, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, okay? I'm there for you. care of her. I'll be right back.
Oh, big madam. Big madam. Big madam, good morning.
Morning, Philip. What is it?
Madam, what happened to small madam?
She's fine, thank you.
I read her back of girl. I observe as this small madam, he rock of small for blood. He rock. Who's up? I say that me. What happened to small madam? Madam, I get them for all this herbal medicine. No, if I would tell you, I get them. If I put them for small madam, I can't kill. In one kill, just once, you go come out every.
Are you crazy, Philip?
Now what did I do? Something I'm killing what I do.
Are you stupid?
Come on,
will you get out?
Me. I just want to ask Mom.
You're a very stupid person. Go and help yourself and your family. Idiot.
Madam, I want help small. I just want help small madam. I don't want to do anything now. Small madam, I want help. Me.
Alright, be coming out. Come, oh girls, come. Ogenekwa, what is it?
I don't know, I just felt a sharp pain.
Sharp pain? Where?
Here.
Sorry, no?
See blood, Madam, see blood.
Philip!
Yes, sir.
Go back to your duty post.
Madam, who carry and go?
Get out!
Oh, madam.
Are you the one to tell us where to take her to? Get your duty post! Ewu. Sorry, Onne. Take her inside. Sorry. Oh, be careful. Careful. Be careful, oh.
Comfort. Get up. What is it?
You won't believe what I saw now.
What did you see?
I saw a man and a woman in a strange attire.
I don't understand. Where?
I know what I saw. I told you I saw the image 3 days ago, right?
Yes, it is.
I think it's Mom and Dad.
Huh? Mom and Dad?
Yes.
What would they be doing in a strange attire?
I don't know. Just come with me. Come, let's go. Come with me now.
Oh, please, let me sleep.
Forget about the sleep. Just come with me. Come, let's go.
I don't want to go. I'm sleepy.
Comfort, come, let's go.
hustler.
Who be that?
It's me, Ruth. I want to ask you, did Oga Madam in this house?
Oga Madam dey inside now. You don't see Oga Madam car for outside. What's happened?
Philip, you are putting fear. I didn't see them.
Problem.
There's no problem.
Where they go, sir? Yeah. Just come up for that. They ask me question for that. Yeah, open the door. The security in the night room. No one's sitting outside room.
Good. Your dream is very terrifying. I don't understand it. What could be the meaning?
Honestly, I don't know. But could it be that the dream has something to do with Mom and Dad?
Mom and Dad? No. Mom and Dad cannot be involved in a crime. Mom doesn't even know how to shoot. Talk more of that.
What if it has something to do with their past, which in turn is affecting us? I mean, if not, why should we have miscarriage sequentially?
The other day, I overheard Dad talking to someone in the living room. But to my surprise, when I came close, I didn't see anyone. I couldn't find anyone. I did not. Wait, Desmond. Desmond.
Desmond, your fiancé?
Yes.
What about him?
He could be of help.
How do you mean?
Desmond seems to know that more than we do.
How do you mean?
Good. I was having an argument with Desmond. From nowhere, he just called Daddy a ritualist.
What?
Yes, he did.
He did what?
Yes. He called Daddy a ritualist. I didn't get that.
What do you want?
Desmond, listen. I am not here to fight with you. My sister and I need your help.
Who would believe that the daughter of Almighty Chief Benjamin will be needing help from a poor man like me?
Can you take my parents out of this? Please. We need your help. So I'll ask again. Will you help us or not?
If it is within my powers.
Thank you.
Just as news always flies. Your parents' sudden riches was suspicious. And I'm not sure, I'm just saying based on what I heard about your dad a long time ago.
How long have you heard this story?
Long ago. About 22 years ago, while I was still an apprentice.
Is there anyone else that knows this story about my father?
I don't know. I don't know, to be honest. But I'll take you to your own father. Maybe he has a thing or two to say to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Comfort! Go! Go! Comfort. Gold. Comfort. Gold. Comfort. Comfort. Go. Philip. 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 Where are my daughters? Where are they?
Madam, I don't know. Madam, they inside room, they sleep on.
Which room? Which room? The one I checked and couldn't find them.
Madam, I don't know. Madam, my work for you now today. Look your again, no be to look your other.
Idiot. Yeah, your work here. You want me to kill you? Huh? You want me to kill you?
Madam, no.
You know what? You know what? Start from now. Go into that place, pack your miserable things, find yourself in your miserable village.
Madam, no, now only to.
I did not employ you
Madam,
in my compound to come and sleep.
Madam,
I employed you to guard that gate. What did I tell you before? On no account should you allow them to leave the compound. Did I not tell you that? Did I not tell you that? Get out. Get out. Get out. Don't just do not provoke me. Get out.
Madam,
get out. Idiot.
Thank you so much, Father. We appreciate.
Thank God. See, that is why you must ensure you must do everything I've told you accordingly. See, if as long as your clothes and undies remain in your father's house, you keep using it for rituals. As long as you remain unmarried. That is why he'll keep rejecting every suitor that comes for your hand in marriage.
Father, thank you so much once again. We will do as you have instructed.
You must always wear the chaplet.
Yes, Father. We won't.
The peace of the Lord.
And also with you.
Thank you, Father.
What is 50 million naira? Money is water. Premium or nothing. Balling. You know why they call me Urimiyatata? Because Agba balling.
Honey!
What is it?
We are doomed. We are finished.
Who is doomed?
We are finished! No!
Who is finished?
We're finished!
Can you stop overreacting?
I told you you wouldn't listen! We are doomed!
Told me what?
They are gone.
Who's they are gone?
They are gone.
Who is they are gone?
Our daughters. They are gone. They packed all their clothes. Not even one single clothes left! Hey! Hey! We are doomed. I told you you wouldn't listen! You wouldn't listen to me! Hey! We're finished! We're finished! I told you they packed everything and left. Hey! What are we going to do? What are we going to do? I am not ready to lose anybody. I am not ready. I will never go back to poverty. I reject it. I reject it. Are you not saying anything? What are we going to do? And you're just keeping quiet. Let me warn you, I'm not going back to that poverty life. I will not go back to that poverty life, and you know that. It's not all you can see. I'm shouting. Do something.
Daddy, why? Why me?
Maurice. You worry too much. I've told you to calm down. They will come back home.
You keep saying that I worry too much. You keep telling me to calm down. I told you they left without trace. They packed everything in their room and left.
Let's wait till tomorrow morning. If they don't come back, then we decide on what to do.
They better come back home. Because I cannot afford to go back to abject poverty. Never! Never! By the way, how do we make our sacrifice? How? Look, I can't afford to be poor again. They better come back. Honestly, I can't afford to lose everything we have acquired. Because I will never go back to poverty. Never. It will not happen.
I'm not a man of many words. Where is my daughter?
Sir, I haven't seen your daughter yet.
I will make you an offer of 500,000 naira to tell me where my daughter is.
Sir, I'm not lying. I haven't seen your daughter yet. Ever since you told me that I should stay away from her, I haven't set my eyes on her.
I will increase it to 1.5 million naira. Oh, no, 5 million naira. Tell me where my daughter is.
Sir, I don't want your money. I don't know where she is.
My daughter has left home for the past few days. You were seen with her perambulating this town and you tell me you don't know where she is? Desmond, let me warn you. If I look for my daughter beyond the next 24 hours, you will be in trouble.
Because I'm not lying to you. Sir.
The pressure, patience, trusting God. No matter the pressure, patience, trusting God. Whatever done in the dark must surely come to light. Nothing can be hidden. It will only take a time, just a little space of time. Years a razor gave me fair. Mommy, why? Mommy, why me? Daddy, why? Daddy, why me? Together. Why do you have to for you to live well in wealth and affluence? Why have you chosen my blood for sacrifice? Chimo, Oginika Mereha. There'll be no peace for you, no hiding place. You must confess. You must confess. There'll be no peace.
How did I get myself into this? All because of wealth.
I am so ashamed of you, Benjamin. I am ashamed of you. Look at you. Eh? Instead of you to look for solution, you are here talking rubbish, crying even. Hey! I've always known you're a chicken-hearted man. I've always known.
God, every day I ask you, where are you? How did I meet this woman? You caused all this.
Me, cause what?
You put me into this predicament.
Is that what you're saying? Oh, after enjoying all the money, you are now here blaming me. A strong woman like me. You should be thanking me for taking the bull by the horn.
Which bull?
Yes!
Nkerefi bull or what?
Nonsense.
Huh? You never gave me credit for anything. You only see me as a poor man. I was happy with 200,000. A month or 3 months. I was happy.
200,000.
You wanted 200 million. See, from 200, see where it has gotten us to. That's why you suggested we kill our son Collins and use him for ritual. That you will be another one.
200,000 naira. 200,000 naira. I'm ashamed of you. Anyway, I blame myself for marrying a man like you. I blame myself. If they come in, you come out. You come out. I suggested we should kill our son. And I suggested and you accepted this. Were you not the one that killed him?
Because you're always making trouble.
Were you not the one that killed him? Are you not enjoying the money? Why are you
enjoying
blaming
which
only
money? Look at it now, neighbor. Look at where it has gotten all to.
Why are you blaming only me?
God.
Both of us are in this together.
God, you did everything good for me. But for this woman, no. God, please.
In fact, I caused the day I married a man like you. I'm blaming myself for accepting you, chicken-hearted man.
Sorry.
I blame myself.
God, is this what Adam went through? And you allowed me to go through it.
Oh, God, look for solution. Look for solution. Stop crying here. It will not solve anything. Come, let's go and seek for solution. Oh.
I know you've not eaten since you came back.
Daddy,
but I know your mom will soon be through with the food. She's cooking something, huh?
Honey, the food is still on fire.
I'm fast now.
Salt has finished.
You can use Maggi instead of it.
I used the last Maggi we had 2 days ago. And that woman selling at our street has refused to give me any foodstuffs. She said we are still owing her.
Collins, just relax.
Where are you going?
Let me see whether our neighbor can give us salt now.
Oh, if she can also borrow you palm oil and little crayfish, just small. Oh?
Look.
Don't forget, eh? Little crayfish and palm oil. No. You are so hungry, eh? Hungry. Food will soon be ready. Let your daddy come out. Oh? hope they will agree. Oh.
Let's try Tony first. Maybe.
Tony?
Yes. Let's go.
It would have been better we asked Philo now.
No, now, but the thing is, Philo was the one who gave us all the condiments we used to cook.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter.
No, come. Let's go and knock.
Are you sure somebody is there? Because I haven't seen him for days, though. Let's go to Philo. Tony is not around. Let's go to Philo.
I don't feel good that we're going to Philo.
See Philo.
Philo? Hannah?
Fine.
No vex, you know, our stove, water entered the kerosene. So we want you to help us to warm it on your own stove.
Okay, now we see you go find Oga Tony.
Yes.
We try, we know they're around for the past 7 days now.
I told you.
You said it too.
I told you.
If water don't enter your stove now, you go dry am.
No.
Put another kerosene inside.
Philo, please, Yeah. Who be that?
Not Tony.
What be Tony? Oga Tony! Oga Tony! Hey!
Tony!
Oga Tony, what is...
I have arrived!
Arrived from where? Where you arrived from?
Wait, so...
I have arrived, I have made it. Can't you see? This is one of the results now.
This is your car.
Of course, this is just one of the toys I use. This one worth about 9 million and above.
Tony!
Oga Tony! Hey! Tony! God has blessed you. God has blessed you.
You did it.
Hey! I tap into this blessing.
Tony! You!
Into this blessing.
I don't tap inside this blessing.
My man tap, bro.
Tony!
I have made so much money. I'm going to do something new. Believe me. Benji, my man. Can't you see?
I need to wake up from this dream.
Yes!
This is ego.
This is ego.
Oga Tony!
My man! I'm happy as you calling me a man. I'm happy, yes. Yes, of course.
Hey.
Look at Obi is here now.
Okay.
Oga Tony, God has blessed you.
Yes.
God has blessed you. Poverty is a disease. Poverty is a disease.
Yes,
hey! Hold him.
Benji, my man. I'm going to come back for you. I have something very important to catch up with. I said, let me just do a stopover here and let you know that I have arrived.
Hey!
You
try.
Yes.
Hi, Oga Tony.
I'm waiting for you.
Yes, let me just.
Oga Tony!
No more beans and gari in the morning.
Ega Amaka. Hey, Ega Amaka. Hey! Hey! Tony!
Confirm.
Hey!
How is it? Tony, the money billionaire. Yes, sir.
Poverty is a disease. Oh! I tap into this blessing. Oh! Hey! Oga Tony! Hey! I want to touch. Hey!
I am coming back.
Oga Tony! Hey! Did you see Oga Tony of yesterday? Oga Tony of yesterday. Hey! Hey! Ochowakwa poverty. Wow! Oga Tony don't make it. Hey! Wow. God has blessed him. Hey! Philo! Please, my sister. Please now, Philo.
I say, may you go dry.
If Tony can make it, I can make it.
Our son is hungry.
Every time they
I
beg.
beg
No
you
more
now.
beans in the morning.
Hey, Philo, this is not you, please. Eh?
So still do that thing for us now. And
Please,
make we talk, please.
Just to warm it, only warming.
See, Oga Ben, I say dry the water with the inside there.
But for now, just do this one for us now.
Beg.
We know.
Make we feed our son first. Oh, we go dry him.
I go just try.
Sorry, oh no, mama. Why your ma? Philo.
But this is where Philo talk. We must make him.
Oga Tony.
Mama Collins.
Oga Tony. How you doing?
We thank God though. Our family now.
We are patching, you
Please, if he comes back, tell him that I am moving to my new house.
Huh?
Yes.
Moving to your new house.
Exactly.
But you just returned with a new car. Now you are talking about moving into your new house.
Mama Collins, it doesn't take God a minute to bless a man.
Oga Tony.
I said it, but I go be okay.
Hey!
I have something for you. Let me not count it. In fact, use this to buy one or two for yourself.
Oga Tony. Oga Tony, you are a good man. You are a good man. God will continue to bless you.
Amen.
God will continue to enrich you because you are a good man.
Amen.
Hey!
Amen.
Oga Tony, you say you are moving into a new house.
Oh, of course.
Your own house?
Yes, it is. The Lord has blessed
Not
me.
the rent.
No.
Hey!
Tell my man to stop looking for all these Nkanka jobs. He
I
will get
tell
old.
him, oh.
Of course.
I will tell him. Thank you, God bless you, Oga Tony. Hey! New house. Oga Tony just returned with a new car. Now he's talking about new house. Hey! Benji Dimo, you need to come back and see you.
Try. Tony. My brother, I thank God for you. Please, I beg you, as friends, if you consider me a friend, teach me that way you made money like this to transform your life. Teach me.
My man, I say Otito Kadiri no kambede. You should know that poverty is a choice, so also riches. I was waiting for my ship all along to dock. But after exhausting my patience because it wasn't docking, I had to swim to my ship.
You have to swim to your ship.
Oh, yeah.
Ship, dock, poverty. Tony, our neighbor, you rightly said something, that poverty is a choice, riches is a choice. My wife and I have decided, and we have made a choice, that you show us how you got the kind of money you got. We are ready.
Yes, so Oga Tony, my husband is right. We are ready to do anything, so long as we will have the kind of money you have.
Bam.
We are ready.
Bam.
See?
Bam.
Anyways, there is no need for... Sorry, excuse me. High Chief Akajiego Wam International. Yes. Okay, Chief. In that case, I'm going to move in 400 million. Yes. Okay. If you said so, I should add it something.
This perfume is nice.
That's all right. As soon as you get it, please try and notify me so that I'll get back to them.
Ish! Why? Why what?
You shouldn't have sprayed this perfume on your body.
Why? Is it not ordinary perfume? Why you don't want us to smell as nice as you smell? Are we not friends? Are we not neighbors?
Tony, sorry. We just want to smell like you. We want to, like rich people.
Tony, why? 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 You shouldn't have. This is not the way things are done, Benjamin.
The way things are done is
You have spoiled things.
Me and you, they chop beans with Gary in the morning. Is it because I not sprayed the perfume that you are raking at me? No, Benjamin. No.
Do you know what you have just done?
I sprayed perfume, that's all.
You think it's ordinary perfume? Or you want to get bro? You have just initiated yourself into the holy chamber of Ufuru. Yes, by that perfume you sprayed on your body. You should have asked questions. Look, what you have just done is the first sacrifice. What is left now is blood sacrifice to the chamber of Ufuru. And you have wealth and success will follow you.
No. Explain this thing to me again. Because of perfume? Is that how they initiate people these days?
You should have asked questions. What you don't know, you ask questions. Hey!
Her name?
Benjamin.
What is it? Okay. What is it?
I don't know what Anthony is talking about.
Benjamin. What is it now? Benjamin, talk now.
Don't go.
Benjamin,
Don't
come.
go.
Benjamin, come.
Let me and my wife talk. No, please, Tony. Let me and my wife talk.
Benjamin, explain to me. Tony, please, it's just more. Take it.
You will not understand. Benjamin. Can you just come, please?
Go now. What is it? What's going on? Explain to me. Benjamin, talk to me. Tony, please now. Forgive me. I just prayed a little. It's only perfume, Tony. It's only perfume. Honey, we have committed ourselves.
Try.
And there is no going back. I'm tired of this life. I am tired of living in abject poverty. I'm tired of everyday borrowing of palm oil, pepper, salt, crayfish. We're always borrowing. I'm tired.
What do we do now? Because Tony said that the next step will involve sacrifice of blood to Ufuru. So what do we do?
You know, nothing goes for nothing. I suggest we sacrifice our son.
Sacrifice?
Why you shout?
Collins.
Reduce your voice.
No.
You
want us to go to hell?
What do you mean by going to hell? Reduce your voice.
But
what? Hey. Sacrifice. Are you not tired of this life we're living? You're enjoying poverty. I will bear more sons. I can even bear 10 sons for you if you want. In fact, I promise you I will bear 10 sons. I'm tired.
Hey, what are we doing?
We heard everything, Dad. We heard how you and Mom sacrificed Collins, my brother, your only son, for money ritual.
How wicked can both of you be? You were never contented with what you had. You sacrificed our unborn children so that your wealth will keep multiplying. You intentionally refused us from getting married so that your riches will keep coming. How mean! Dad! You!
I'm ashamed of both of you. Both of you don't deserve to live. Chico!
Father, stop. Please.
I don't want to die, Father.
Father. I don't want to die.
Father, please save us. I don't want to die.
Father, stop praying.
He whom the Son of Man has set free is free indeed.
Amen.
It's a good thing you realize you. Are you ready to turn a new leaf?
Yes, Father. Yes, I am.
Yes, Father.
Anything, Father, to set me free.
Yes, Father. I'm ready.
Don't allow me die. I'm a man like you, please.
Father, please.
I've sinned. I've made a mistake. Please.
Forgive me. I'm sorry.
You must have to bequeath your properties to charity.
Guinea.
My wife will not agree to that one.
I believe God will bless you again, even through your children.
Father, please, can I say something? Can we give half and keep half? I promise I'll be the one to give out the half. Please.
I told you.
In the name of the Father,
and Son, and Holy Spirit. Amen.